this is Yin from Craftiviti. A lot of people come in and they say, you know, I've never done any sort of craft before, but I heard that I could make something here. So we actually curated a very special set for anyone that walks in or any beginner that wants to make their own craft on the spot at home. You don't have to come in here. At home, it can be delivered to you, and you get to make your own soap or candles or your own aroma stones. So today I want to show you one of the boxes that we curated. It is a strawberry and cream soap bar, and it's not only one soap bar because in this box you have a mold that's this big. So you literally get to make and take home, or you're already at home, so you literally get to make and keep 1 kg worth of soap. So when you cut this up, it goes 6 to 8 bars. It depends on how thick you like your soap to be. It comes full with all the soap bases, the tools. It even comes with fragrance oils, coloring as well. So everything in one box. Everything else that you need to make soap in your own home is already available in your kitchen. So this is a one-stop box, especially for beginners. It's great for gifts. It's great for people that want to experience making soap, but they don't know how to. So it comes with the full instructions. It even comes with a QR code. Where's my QR code? QR code here. That actually leads to a video that shows you how to make soap. So, well, have a look. It's on our website, explore it, and if you'd like, just write to us and we could tell you more. Alright? Thank you guys. Happy crafting. Okay.